Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. Well, drum throne is tired. I got cracks in it. It's really, really old. It's an old pearl, but I like it. I'm just going to freshen it up. I'm going to recover it. I'm going to bring it back to life. Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. Today I'm going to show you how to bring your old drum throne back to life. I found some of this. This is just packing, thin sheets. I'm going to stack a few of those together. When I sat down on it, kind of like the feel, kind of freshens up the cushion a little bit. I'm going to take some of this spray adhesive. I'm going to spray it here. I'm going to cut these to shape, stack them on. Then I'm going to put some batting on there. The batting will also help cushion it and it will protect it a little bit. And then I'm going to cover it and then I'm going to staple it underneath. Okay, now that I have that all done, I'm going to just take out all the staples and all that stuff. I'm going to try to sneak the batting layer underneath this, just to get fancy. Get that batting layer here. Don't pull the batting too tight, because it tears easily. Off all those staples and everything, and I'm just gonna take this entire thing off. That's just gonna come off right there. It's just gonna be easier for me. Done with the batting, everything like that. That's all good. We're gonna go ahead and do the same thing, but we're gonna do it with this marine quality vinyl covering. Pretty nice. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put this back on. Okay, now I'm just gonna go ahead and staple this right down. Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. Today I showed you how to bring some life back into your drum throne.